Yeah, this is Fire Bike 1. I know we haven't done a food review in a while, so I apologize for that. So this will be a food review on a couple of donuts by Tim Hortons. So the first donut is a chocolate glazed donut. Very delicious, fully enriched chocolate glaze. Very, very good. Very, very, very good. The second Tim Horton donut is the Oreo donut. The filling is very, very sweet, and the crumbs are taste really, really, really delicious, just like an Oreo cookie. And the last Tim Horton donut that I got is an apple fritter. Yeah, this is not what I anticipated. Really no apple in here at all. Kind of disappointed on this one. So that's it for today's video. We did 3 Tim Horton donuts, the chocolate glaze, which I found really, really good. The Oreo donut, which tasted pretty good. And the apple fritter, which wasn't really what I expected. So please like, subscribe. Tell me what other food items you want me to do, where you want me to go. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. And everybody have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the year. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays.